We want autonomous digital workers that can research, plan, and execute tasks on our behalf. To build them from scratch, engineers write thousands of manual connection code, bridging the gap between a language model in the real world. Connecting a reasoning engine to external memory, active web search, and local software tools requires complex orchestration. When developers attempt to hard code these disparate systems together, the resulting architecture is highly brittle and refuses to scale. Maintaining those custom connections places an overwhelming burden on a single developer, who must constantly patch routing logic every time an API updates or an AI model changes its output format. This diagram shows the structural solution, an agent development kit, or ADK. An ADK is a software framework that standardizes the connections between a central reasoning core and external environments, acting as a reliable hub for APIs, databases, and tool endpoints. The schematic identifies the core modular components of that architecture. By abstracting away the manual routing, an ADK allows developers to snap together pre-built modules for memory storage, task planning, and specific workflows. These frameworks provide the essential scaffolding required to make AI useful, ensuring the system does not collapse under its own complexity. They do not, however, make the underlying AI any smarter. The market is currently flooded with overlapping frameworks. Google, Microsoft, AWS, and OpenAI have all released competing ADKs within a tight timeline. Treating these corporate ADKs as interchangeable software libraries is a critical architectural error. Each one is heavily optimized for a specific set of enterprise conditions. Choosing the wrong stack forces a difficult correction later. A mismatched framework will trap an engineering team in an incompatible programming language or require a highly expensive cloud infrastructure migration to fix the mistake. To evaluate these options accurately, we must separate them from generic LLM text APIs. LLM text APIs are basic endpoints that take in a prompt and return a string of text. We are analyzing full orchestration frameworks designed to execute complex, multi-step actions. The correct ADK choice depends entirely on matching the framework's native integrations to the engineering team's pre-existing cloud infrastructure and programming skills. The most rigid constraint a development team faces is native programming language support. If the framework does not support the language your engineers write in, adoption stalls immediately. Lightweight frameworks like the OpenAI Agents SDK optimize for rapid prototyping. They prioritize Python and TypeScript, allowing fast iteration for teams comfortable in those specific environments. Teams relying on enterprise mainstays like C#, Java, or Go face a different reality. To build natively, they must pivot to the Microsoft Agent Framework, which supports .NET, or the Google ADK, which officially supports Java and Go. Beyond language, there is the factor of cloud ecosystem lock-in. Deep native integrations, like the Google ADK binding to Vertex AI or AWS Trans connecting directly to Bedrock, provide immense operational efficiency by managing permissions and storage automatically. This matrix maps frameworks against language and cloud ecosystems, revealing distinct compatibility walls. If you build an agent deeply integrated into the Google ADK and later migrate to Azure, you cannot simply port the code. The entire architecture requires a complete rewrite. A company's existing IT governance and cloud provider contracts dictate their ADK choice before a single line of agent code is written. To execute tasks, these agents must interact with outside data through specific tool calling protocols. AWS Strands, Google, and Anthropic have adopted the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP is an emerging open standard that unifies how AI models connect to remote tools and data sources using JSON over HTTP. Adopting MCP requires engineering teams to build, host, and maintain separate remote servers for their tools, rather than executing simple local Python functions within their own codebase. That architectural choice leads directly to the financial bottom line, the fundamental difference in cost structure between open-source frameworks and fully managed ADKs. Managed platforms like AWS Agent Core or the Anthropic Claude SDK carry immediate appeal. They eliminate initial infrastructure setup, providing built-in memory gateways and secure execution environments straight out of the box. This line graph plots the diverging long-term financial trajectories of these approaches. Self-hosted open-source infrastructure requires upfront engineering time, but maintains a flat rate. Managed platforms scale exponentially, compounding usage-based service fees with every single action your agent takes. Paying for a managed ADK offloads the friction of initial deployment, but traps the project in a perpetual proprietary billing cycle. The most advanced capability offered by enterprise ADKs is multi-agent, or agent-to-agent workflows. These workflows are systems where independent AI agents can prompt, trigger, and pass data to one another directly, without human intervention. The core promise here is powerful: specialized sub-agents, one for coding, one for research, one for database querying, collaborating autonomously to solve highly sophisticated enterprise problems. Linking these systems together introduces a critical architectural danger: chained vulnerabilities. This flowchart illustrates how a single hallucination in an upstream subagent invisibly cascades through the entire workflow. Because agents exchange properly formatted text, the system views the transaction as successful. The cascading error corrupts the final output without ever triggering a traditional software crash. Operating these chains requires rigorous, continuous telemetry toolkits, like NVIDIA NeMo. Telemetry is the automated process of collecting performance metrics, like latency, token usage, and logical flow, from remote systems and routing them to a central dashboard to catch silent failures. A multi-agent architecture exponentially expands an application's attack surface and debugging complexity. We can synthesize these variables, language, cloud lock-in, and infrastructure cost, into an objective decision tree for 2025. This decision tree outlines optimal paths. Enterprise Azure and .NET shops must choose the Microsoft Agent Framework. GCP or Java and Go teams should deploy the Google ADK. Python-first teams minimizing friction should build with the OpenAI Agents SDK, or AWS Strands. Regardless of which framework is chosen, there is a sobering reality to the entire landscape. These frameworks manage the connections, but they do not solve the inherent unreliability, bias, or hallucination risks of the large language models running inside them. ADKs simply shift the engineering burden. Developers must stop writing basic API connection code so they can start engineering strict safety guardrails and vital system telemetry.